Hi, thank you for viewing my poster. My name is Molly McGhee, and this poster is about a series of experiments we conducted by feeding hybrid rye to growing pigs. For experiment 1, we knew that there's a historical reluctance to feed rye to pigs for its reputation of being unpalatable and containing ergot alkaloids. New hybrids of rye have reduced risk for ergot contamination, though, and previous research demonstrated that young pigs did not show any aversion to rye compared with other ingredients. We hypothesized that preference for diets containing hybrid rye or corn would not differ in growing pigs. For this experiment, we recorded feed provisions and disappearance every day for 8 days. 2 identical feeders were located in each pen, and the positions of the feeders were switched each day. Diet 1 contained corn and soybean meal, whereas Diet 2 contained rye and soybean meal. The results of the research indicated that for each day and overall, pigs preferred corn to hybrid rye. This may be due to pigs' previous exposure to corn and concurrent unfamiliarity with rye, but also could be due to rye's more bitter flavor profile. Hybrid rye also may be a bit more dusty than corn, and its fiber has a satiating effect in pigs, which could influence feed intake as well. Despite the results of experiment 1, we hypothesize that growth performance will not differ when hybrid rye replaces portions of corn in diets for growing pigs when only a single diet is offered. We fed experimental diets for 27 days, and 8 pens per treatment were used. A control diet consisted of corn and soybean meal, whereas in the additional treatments, we replaced 33, 66, or 100% of corn with hybrid rye. Final body weight did not differ among treatments, and neither did average daily gain, but average daily feed intake tended to be reduced as hybrid rye was added to the diet. Nevertheless, gain to feed was not changed. To conclude, experiment 1 indicated that growing pigs strongly preferred corn when given the choice. When no diet choice was given, average daily feed intake tended to be reduced as rye increased in the diet, but average daily gain and gain to feed were not influenced by diet. Despite less metabolizable energy in hybrid rye compared with corn, rye was well utilized by growing pigs. Feed intake was reduced with greater inclusion of rye, which could be due to their unfamiliarity with the flavor of rye or because they were more satiated when they consumed the rye. For these reasons, it seems that flavor and dietary fiber were stronger drivers of average daily feed intake than dietary energy level. We hypothesize that feed intake will not be compromised to such a degree if pigs are adapted to the taste of rye earlier in life. This project was funded by KWS Cereals Division, and if you'd like to learn more about other projects in our lab, please visit the website nutrition.ansi.illinois.edu.